This is the sign for before. That's it. Right, here's the hand shape, fingers together, thumb alongside. Turn it so your palm is facing towards your shoulder. Bring it back here and then just flick. Or you could say, let the air flow. It's like there's air flow here and you're trying to make it go past your shoulder. Before. Before. So the concept here is before, in the past, back then, some back in time, before. So from the side, before, other side, before, from the front once again, before. All right, let's do it 3 times, signing starting from the rest position. Here we go. Before, before, before. Once again, the hand shape is like this. Turn it around, palm facing towards your shoulder, put it about here, and then just let it flow past, flick it past. When I'm going back, my hand is kind of bending forward, so I end up about like that. Before. Okay, so we just talked about the sign for before. Here is the sign for after. Okay, we're going to use both hands, and this is the basic hand shape. The placement's different, but the hand shape is the same. Go like this, tighten up your fingers, thumb alongside. Okay, so I'm right-handed. I'm going to use my non-dominant hand and make a platform, palm facing down. With my dominant hand, I'm going to make like a knife blade, like chop, chop. We're going to use the bottom part and just slide over, all right? After. From the side, after. Other side, after. From the front again, after. Okay, so sign with me. Let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Here we go. After. 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 Okay, on a side note, you may find it interesting to know that this is also the sign for across. Like it's a bridge and you're going to cross it, go across. But it also works and is very commonly used as after. Like this is your party, this is your work, this is your job, this is school, whatever, and something happens after. Okay, so remember, same hand shape. Put one down here, palm facing down, the other one like a chopping blade, and just slide across. All right, that's after. All right, we just talked about the sign for after.